What's going on, y'all? What's going on? What's going on? Listen, I'm back with yet another video. For those of you who have never watched my videos before, thank you so much for tuning in. What you can find here are product reviews, talks about maca root, which we'll be talking about today, talks about skincare hacks, how to glow the heck up. And yeah, that's pretty much the gist of my channel. With that being said, we are going to get into also another product that I've reviewed and done updates on, which is Latisse. For those of you who don't know, that is a prescription eyelash serum. Okay, so it's your eyelash serum extra strength, okay? And I've been on it 11 months now. Yes, almost a year. I do definitely see a difference. I've used it in both my, I used it on both my eyebrows and my lashes, okay? And I do have on mascara, but I just want to show y'all. And this isn't even the best mascara. This was some little mascara that was on sale at Burlington. I think I talked about this in a video a long time ago, but it's still doing something. I did not curl my eyelashes. My eyelashes are fairly curly. They're not just straight out, so they're fairly curly, so I didn't have to curl them, and I don't typically have to. If I want to give them some extra oomph, then I can use, and I do use, an eyelash curler, but that's not often. Like I said, I can definitely say that if you're looking to find something where you just want your natural lashes to like flourish and look really good without eyelash extensions, this is the way to go. Now, mind you, I love eyelash extensions because it just takes your eyes to a whole nother level. They look amazing. But when you want to just flex on people and be like, this is me, then this is another option. And it will literally, I don't have to fill in my lashes before I step out or whatnot. I'd rather put on mascara. I don't have to fill in my brows rather before I step out. I just literally step off, and you still see like an oomph. So that's what I wanted personally. Brows, definitely see a difference, especially hadn't threaded them in forever, but still I felt like some little areas were a little sparse. Like it just still didn't give me the volume that I wanted. And now I can honestly say that I do see and feel a difference. And I have not colored in my brows at all, but as you can see, they still are, you know, shaped pretty nice, looking kind of thickish or whatever. You know, I want that, like literally, like, listen, I want thick brows like Lala Vasquez. Like I want my brows to look like that without having to do anything to them, okay? So that's where we're at. These are my lashes and my brows. And for the Maca update, let's get into it. Okay, so this is the brand of Maca, Natural Life Labs. Okay, if it will focus, there we go. Natural Life Labs, 1900 milligrams. I've been on this for a couple weeks now, and I'm feeling pretty good. I have not seen anything as far as any increase of size or weight as of yet, but I do feel that it has given me energy and has really helped out so far. As far as the desire goes, nothing more than usual, nothing crazy. As far as the desire, I think my body has somewhat gotten accustomed to Maca because I'm not feeling that libido kick in like that. I'm not feeling that strong desire to do anything, thank God. That might change in you know, with some time, as time passes. But as for now, I'm not feeling that strong desire like that. Okay, so this is how I take it. It's literally, it says that you should take 2 capsules per day. And I either take it with my smoothie or I take it with water, okay? And I have already prepared my smoothie. If you want to see what exactly goes into that, what the smoothie situation looks like. Definitely peep my other videos on how I make my my sea moss smoothie, and just subtract the sea moss. The smoothie that I have right now is literally, it doesn't have the sea moss, because again, I don't take the sea moss in my smoothies every day. I literally do that every few days, even if that, okay? So the smoothie, literally just blended it up and need to put it into a container, but I just wanted to show y'all that this is what it's looking like. Blueberries and pineapple and the ORGAIN protein powder are what's inside of this smoothie, okay? So I either take the maca with the smoothie, or I take it with my water. Right now I will be doing the water. It's hard for me to swallow capsules sometimes. I hate doing it. But yeah, that is basically it. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. I will most definitely be back with more. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Yeah. Thanks for tuning in. And holla.